In this clip, we're going to look at how we calculate distance. Distance is a word we use to describe how far away one point is from another. With a soldier, this is an important skill. It's finding out how long you can travel, or how far you can travel, or how long it's going to take you, is important for a soldier. If you do not feel confident working out decimal time, then you must view the video clip on decimal time before continuing with this one. You may also want to view the clip on using a calculator. If you do feel confident about using decimal time, then carry on. Most of us use distance, speed and time on a daily basis, often without realizing it. Every time you decide to go somewhere, you make decisions about what time you're going to leave work or home, and what time you want to arrive at your destination. Usually you come up with an estimate, but you can learn to work things out more accurately. Let's find out how. The easiest way to remember how to work out distance, speed and time is to write the letters inside a triangle. The top triangle, distance equals speed times time. The middle triangle, time equals distance divided by speed. And the bottom triangle, speed equals distance divided by time. For this demonstration, we will use the top triangle only. But all three triangles show us the equations for working out answers to distance, speed and time questions. The shaded area tells us what we're working out, and the line across the middle tells us what we must divide. We're going to look at calculating distance first. Our triangle tells us that to calculate distance, we need to use this equation. Distance equals speed times time. So let's try it out. The patrol walked at a steady pace of 5 kilometers per hour, and it took them 3 hours to reach the checkpoint. How far did they walk? Well, if they walked 5 kilometers in 1 hour, then in 2 hours they will walk 10 kilometers. So in 3 hours they will walk 15 kilometers. We work this out as distance equals speed times by time, or 5 kilometers times 3 hours equals 15 kilometers. It's quite easy, isn't it? On a recent journey to Hanover Airport, you maintained an average speed of 70 kilometers an hour. It took you 1 hour and 50 minutes to get there. How far did you have to drive? Remember the equation, distance equals speed times by time, as you can see in the top right hand corner. Let's work it out. 70 kilometers times 1 hour 50 minutes. This time, we'll have to convert our minutes to decimal time so that we can complete the calculation. When we convert the minutes, all of our figures will be decimals. To convert to decimal time, we must divide the minutes by 60 because there are 60 minutes in an hour. This will give us the minutes in decimal time. 50 divided by 60 equals 0.83. You may need to use a calculator to work this out. When we add this to the 1 hour, and we have a decimal time of 1 hour 83 minutes, now we can carry on with the calculation. So our equation will look like this. 70 times by 1.83 equals 128.1 kilometers. Therefore, that is our total distance. This clip will have helped you to understand how to calculate distance using the correct equation. However, you do have to understand the relationship between distance, speed and time. So you need to view the video clips on calculating speed and calculating time as well. Now you must complete your workbooks to help reinforce what you have learned. Remember, you can view this clip as many times as you need to.